a line following robot in just 100 seconds. So we take up the chassis, we take up the caster wheel, and then we take up a smaller bolt along with the spacer. We fix it on all four sides. Then we put it up on the chassis, and we fix that using another four bolts of 3 sizes. We use screwdriver if you wanted to. Then we take a DCBO motor and we fix the wires and use clamps, actually special meat clamps. So we fix it on both sides and we use a longer length of bolt to fix it firmly. And yes, once that is done, we put it on the other side and we use the nut for it, and that nut is fixed for two sides, and other motor is also fixed the same way, and use the wheels with a D slot. Chassis is ready. Now the sensor clamps is ready. So we fix that using a 3 screws now. So once that is done, we tighten it up using a screwdriver, and then we fix the IR sensors now. So this IR sensor can be tightened using a bolter nut again, and that would be exactly fit into it. Then we again use a IR sensor, and then we use a battery holder to fix it to the chassis. Then we use a switch, and then we use the L29030 motor driver, and we have this particular mini breadboard to have some connections, and then we start connecting all the plus and minus. So as you see, we connect the AA batteries, so which is available anywhere, and we use this 3 wires. So for IR sensors, so IR sensors has been given a connections out, ground and VCC. Output should go to input of the motor driver, and then we connect all the required connections. And once that is done, if we can switch on this particular robot, this will start to work. So shall we see it live now? Yes, it is. So you can get this particular kit from Robotics.